Before you start calculating TCO, it is important to set a goal for the exercise. What are you trying to learn? TCO can help you analyze many different areas of your business. Some of the most common use cases are comparing the costs of current toolset versus a proposed alternative. For example, if you were considering switching from Microsoft Office to Google Workspace, you could calculate the projected TCO of each to see which would cost more money over the next few years. Finding out how much money you've invested in a solution. TCO can help you calculate all the costs that have gone into a certain solution or toolset since you originally acquired it. Assessing the lifetime costs of a tool or asset. This combines past and future costs to show how much something would cost throughout its life. After you decide on a goal, you'll want to come up with a few parameters to help keep this exercise focused. The first parameter is time. What is the time frame you're looking at? If you're calculating future costs, how far into the future do you want to project? If you're looking into the past, are you calculating costs within the last year or since your company acquired the toolset? If you're not sure what time frame to use, we recommend looking at least 1 year into the past or the future. 5 years is a good place to start. You'll also want to determine the scope of the tool or toolset you're evaluating. TCO calculations can be broad enough to include factors such as labor and rollout costs, or narrow enough to just include the immediate toolset. Once you have an idea of what you want to analyze, you can get started with the tool.